What are you drinking?
A pita colada.
What?
People know that TikTok song, a pita colada.
I'm sorry, I'm not a TikTok generation.
Inserts reference here. Insert right? You can't find it. I'm having a mango berry.
From where?
From
Where are you getting it from?
From Cocoa Raw at Devon House. Yum, yum,
How much?
yum.
Wait, how
10
much
out
for
of
it
10.
again?
This is $9.50 because it's 12
Nine.
ounce.
Listen,
$9.50.
listen, camera on me. Listen. I know I haven't been in Jamaica in a minute, but close to $1,000 for a bag juice in a cup.
It's not bag juice.
A bag juice in a cup for $1,000.
It's all natural fruits and
Is it because it's beside the brand? Is it because it's beside the brand? That's why. Who named Devon? And why were they in house? That not sound right. So few things y'all should know before you come to Devon House, right? They do take visa from the foreign people. Them patties start what, like $1,000?
$5.50.
$5.50.
Starting from Callaloo, and I think it's chicken.
$5.50, right? So early review on this Devon House patty. First thing, if you're vegan and you come for the Callaloo, if you're not from Jamaica, the Callaloo is Callaloo, like it's chang. Like the Callaloo mixed with Cersei or something because it's bitter, kind of bitter. It's not the canned Callaloo that you're used to. The Callaloo, chang. Oh, and the place is hot. The place is hot. So if you come, you're gonna need to get one of these first so you can sit down and chill. Or go get Devon House ice cream or something cool. And again, everything is a grand. Which one is this one? The beef, the pork.
That's barbecue pork. That's
Barbecue
new.
pork. It's new. I'll give this the second best one I've had. Second one.
10 out of 10.
This is how the beef's supposed to look. I don't know why they look like they run out of brown in the pot. I don't know. But the Callaloo one. Hold on. See that? Sorry. The pork one. Barbecue pork one. Yeah, man. Barbecue pork one can go on. Which one?
My thing is that the Callaloo is so
Did I show y'all the shrimp yet? I'm so out of pocket. Shrimp? If you don't eat beef, pork, you only eat seafood, it's good. Pescatarian. The shrimp in there are good. But the liquor in a talawa. The liquor. The shrimp a little bit and in a talawa. Barely, I think they put one shrimp on each corner.
And I think it's $1,200.
One shrimp on each corner. Now the beef.
Beef goes.
Listen, I'm always gonna keep it a stack. I don't care where I am. Could I yard abroad? I'm gonna keep it a stack. The beef not ready. The beef, Devon. You run out of browning? Devon. Could I send somebody for some browning? But not lie to you. The beef not ready. No man.
Is it flavorful?
No. The beef not ready. The beef that come from uptown.
Rebecca.
Devon. The beef not ready. Start of the show. I should have ate before. This is how you know it's the start of the show. It's already done. I'm coming back for this. This is the curry goat one. Real goat.
Teak. LT.
Real goat. Shelly and Fraser says. Real goat. This, the star. You want more of this?
Give me
By
10
the
of them.
dozens.
Give me 14 of them.
I need 14 of 14. What was the
Give me
song?
14 of them right now.
Give me
Yep,
14 of this right now. Devon.
Madams, where you at?
Overall, Devon House starting off good. Next stop, where we going next?
Madams.
We'll see where we go next. I gotta figure out where we're going next. But this is the patty vlog. We started at Devon. The thing I'll say about this area, if you're coming to Devon House, there's a lot of sketch artists out here. Yeah, they sketch too, but they kind of look sketchy.
You want to sketch?
Spot number 2. Where are we going again?
Mothers.
Alright, so let's see what Madas are going with. I remember.
Sweet chili chicken. Have to try that.
You try the sweet chili chicken?
Yeah, that's what we're trying.
Alright, let's try the sweet chili chicken. Hey, don't be complaining about the Madas that you want. You wanted that. Look at that. Like, listen. I know we don't say a long time when I come to Jamaica, but I know that you're not supposed to buy food from mothers. If you get food from your mother,
Well,
not go mothers to buy food.
somebody else was hungry.
So I went to mothers, right? Back in my day, before I go to school, used to stop and get a power patty with jai.
This is the problem.
This is not dry. This is jai. It's jai bad. Nah man, this can't be the same mothers when we used to buy a tuck shop. This can't be the same mothers. Crumbs all over your car. Oh! Don't worry, I'll pay to get it clean. Bowling. Let's try the mother's patty. Sorry, I'm still caught between my Canadian tongue and like yard.
But it's still mothers.
Mothers.
Patty cheese, and that them call me fish patty, pork patty, and pork patty. Oh, you say it, but I didn't know the commercial.
Did they mark it?
This
Oh
one
wait,
is
what is? Bro, listen.
That's cheese.
Jamaica, I need to write the thing look a bit better, man. Now I'm to this. The whole on a doctor. Everybody a doctor? That's
Patty
crazy.
doctor.
Well, doctor writing. All right, hold on. Scribble. Is it cheese?
Yep.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Looks can be deceiving. Looks can be deceiving. Let's bring it in. This is actually good. I'm not gonna lie.
See, don't judge a book by its cover.
Don't judge a book by its cover. What she said.
Exactly.
I don't know if y'all can see it. There's actual cheese in here. Okay, so it's no name is beef. Let's see if the beef is good. The beef better than Devon house beef. But bun up, man. Bun up. If you turn on the coal pot. Turn on the oven a little bit.
Why use cold patty in the people them place? What you? How do you break?
When I bun up the patty, try 350, not 450. Wait, 450 artist, huh?
Yes.
Oh.
You're funny, huh?
Full of bars. Prison. Get it? Full of bars. Prison.
Alright.
So Jamaica got a matcha bubble tea. What am I getting?
It's the ice cream matcha bowl.
Ice cream matcha bubble. It's actually a pretty cool place. Got a whole bunch of desserts. Got accessories you can get.